So the answer is minus 1 over 21. So now I continue here. There was a problem in one note and we had to just all of a sudden it stopped. So now I continue here. Okay, so bed mass. Okay, I do bracket first. Inside the bracket I cannot do anything, so then exponent. So now I do 4 over 9 because it's squared. Okay, and then I change it to multiplication and write this, and multiplication and write this. Four over 9. So I know if I write minus 4 multiple 5 multiple 2. So 9 multiple 3 multiple 4. Can I cancel? Yes. Can I cancel more? I don't think so. So the answer is minus 10 over 27. Let me see. Yeah. Yes. How about next? Next one is here. So more calculation. Okay, so I have fraction. I have a bracket. So inside the bracket I cannot do anything, but I can just do the exponent after. What is the exponent? Equal 1 over 8 multiple minus 2 over 5. Remember, when you do reciprocal, you don't change the sign. Negative, say negative, positive, positive. Multiple 10 over minus 3, which is equal minus 1 times 2 times 10. I need positive because I have 2 negative. And then 8 times 5 times 3. This and this, so it's 4 and 5. Then I cancel 5 and 5, this and this, which is, I need positive because it's, yeah, both of them, one positive, one negative, yes, so they cancel each other. So it's plus. And then the answer is, can I cancel? Let me, yes, I changed the color. So it's 2 and cancel this. What is left from top? 1. What is left from bottom? 6. 2 and 3. So this and this plus. Okay? Division mixed numbers. So we have to go to improper. Okay, so it's 2 equal. 2 times 4 plus 1 divided by 4 divided by 17 over 5. I just show for one of them. Then I know that just what's going on here. So if you write just for one of them, I know that you know it. 9 over 4 divided by 17 over 5. Am I right? Yes. So it's 9 over 5 multiple flip. I have to flip it. Turn over. Okay, so it is 45 over 68, I think. Yes, 68. Done. So, how about after? Okay, here. So 1 equal 1 times 8 plus 5 over 8 divided by 11 over 4, which is 13 over 8 times 4 over 11. Can I cancel this? Yes. So it's equal 13 over 22. Okay? So next. A word problem. A student travels a distance this many kilometers in this many time. What was their average speed? Okay, so I know distance is a speed multiple time. So speed is distance over time. So speed is distance divided by time. What is distance? So I read the question. Travels this distance in this time. What was their average speed? So it's 125 1 over 2 divided by 1 3 over 4 equal. That's 251 divided by 2 multiple. Okay, so yes, so I can just do it step by step. Division 1 times 4 plus 3 divided by 4 equal, which is 251 divided by 2 divided by 7 over 4, which is 251 over 2 times 4 over 7. What do I do here? This and this cancel. That's 502 divided by 7. Okay, so how many 7 I have there? Okay, so it is 71 5 over 7. Okay, so here what we did here was this distance is velocity times multiple time, and then we say v is d divided by t. We will learn this in future more. We will see many questions. Just we have to rearrange the equation. So we still have to work on it. Here I have to say just the conclusion sentence. The average speed is what's the reason I say average speed? Because it's average in that time. So in that time I did this many kilometers. The average speed is 71 5 over 7 kilometer per hour. How do I know? Because I see this kilometer per hour. So kilometer per hour, and I cannot remove any unit. They either cancel each other or stay. So I have kilometer per hour then. Okay. Now order of operation bed mass. Bed mass here. Okay, what to do here? Okay, so of course we have to follow bed mass wherever we have multiplication, addition, plus, minus. So here we have to first finish this and then finish this and then do this and then do this. If I give you a question for quiz 1 or test 1, probably for maybe for test 1, I'm not sure, maybe for quiz 1 as well, and I say use bed mass, I want you to show me the order of operation. Okay, I want you to show me these numbers. Okay, so it is 4 over 5 minus between 1 over 2 and 1 over 3, I use least common denominator, which is that's 3 over, so I use 6. So I use 3 over 6 minus 2 over 6 squared plus 7 over 10. Maybe if you have a large, so many numbers and so many operations, you have to do several in one line. So here is 4 over 5 minus 1 over 6 squared plus 7 over 10 equal 4 over 5 minus 1 over 36 plus 7 over 10. Between 10 and 5 and 36, what is least common denominator? Okay, so least common denominator between 5 and 2 squared times 3 squared and 2 times 5. Okay, I have to use this one and this one and this one. So the answer is 5 times 36, 180. So I multiply 4 be 36, sorry I changed the color, divided by 5 times 36. Minus 5 times, okay, so I multiply 5 over 36 times 5 plus 7 over 10 times 18. So then it is 4 times 36 minus 5 plus 7 times 18, which is 265. So it is 265 divided by 180. How many 180 I have there? I can simplify here because it's both of them divisible by 5. So I divide by 5, so it's 53. So it is 53 divided by 36. How many 36 I have? So 1, and what is left? 17 over 36. Done. Okay? I can do this one as well. So I can check how many questions. Quite a lot. Yeah, and then I go to complex ones. Okay, so yeah, so here so it is 1 times 8 plus 7 over 8. Okay, so maybe at the beginning I can show order of operation. So of course I change all of the mixed fraction to improper, but this one is first, this one is this one is this, 2, 3. So 1 times 8 plus 7 over 8 plus 2 times 17 over 4 minus 3 over 16. It's 15 over 8 plus 2 times 17 over 4 minus 3 over 16, which is this. 15 over 8 plus 17 over 2 minus 3 over 16. Okay, so show me order of operation and then do what you have to do. So you go to mixed fraction because it's plus and minus, sorry, improper fraction, and then find least common denominator, which is 16. So it is 15, sorry, I changed the color here. So 15 over 8 times 2 plus 17 over 2 times 8, and no change for the other one. So what is the answer? 30 plus 17 times 8 minus 3, which is 163 divided by 16. How many I have? 10. And what is left? 3. Okay? How about here? Bracket first. How many brackets I have? 2. So it's 1 and 2 and then this one. Equal. 15 over 4 minus 11 over 6 plus 39 over 8 division, so divided 5 over 7. Step by step. Between 4 and 6, 12 is. So I do 45 over 12 minus 22 over 12 plus, step by step, so plus 39 over 8 times 7 over 5. Okay, I changed to that, and I don't forget it was a bracket. So 23 over 12 plus so 7 times 39 divided by 40. So it's 273 over 40. Between 40 and 12, what is this common denominator? So least common denominator, 2 squared times 3 and 2 cubed times 5. Okay, so I use this one, and I use this one, and I use this one, which is 120. Okay, so it is 230 divided by 120. I multiply top and bottom with 10. Here I multiply top and bottom with 3. What is the answer? So 230 plus 27 multiplied 3, which is 311 over 120. How many 120 I have? Okay. So what is left then? Okay. Let me see. Did I make any mistake here? Oh, I have to plus. So let me see. 230 and plus 27 times 3. Yeah. Okay, let me check if I made any mistake. Because the answer is not the same as the note. So 3 times 4, 12 plus 3, 15 over 4 minus 11 over 6, which is 45 over 12 and 22 over 12, which is 23 over 12 and 39. Okay, 39 over 8 times 7 over 5. Okay, What's wrong with me that I said 27? What's wrong? So 39 times 7. I said, let me see, 273. So I think it wasn't 27. So 273. Okay. And yes, I wrote 273 maybe, and I read wrong. Okay, so 273 times 3 then. Yes. And that's why. So it's 230 plus 273 times 3, which is 1049. How many 120 I have there? 8. What is left? 89 over 120 is the answer. Okay? So, now I continue. It's good that I stop here because it's practice and then I continue after. So, thank you so much. I continue on this lesson to just finish it in the next video. Bye.